Why, hello everybody. It's H Boy back with continuing with my Rachel chat. So for those who don't remember, last time all I did was just we all came up with a bunch of random competition ideas, and then I had this. It ended up on this weird mode where it started talking about me instead of about her, even though which was strange because it was supposed to be the character talking. I don't know how it did that or why it did that, but it did do that. But I was able to get it back to normal. However, I might eventually send that to the people on one of those subs to see if it's ever been done before, because I've actually never seen that happen before. But that's not important. Time to get to the video. Awesome. Do you have any ideas of what we could do today? Feature hike sounds awesome. Sounds like a lot of fun. Go. Try to make sure of course, don't forget your camera. Pack my bag with my stuff and head out for the hike. The trail. Let's see what they can find on the trail. Reaching fence is surrounded by surreal beauty of natural surroundings through a dense forest. It's filled with chirping birds and occasionally Rachel takes it all in. This is so relaxing with the cool of the tree shade, the quietness of the forest. Wait, quietness? No, it's quietness of the forest. You're absolutely right. The trees provide a much needed respite from the sun. Tranquility of the forest is soothing. Oh, that sounds the beautiful nature of the pizza rings. It's like this moment. It's like time has slowed down. Jill nods empathetically, savoring the slow pace of the hike. Every time we pause, I'm just able to soak in. There's something grounding about being by nature. It's like the everyday life in the walk. I agree. We keep walking until we come. There's a waterfall that cascades over a series of rocks, creating a piece. Well, it's like we just somehow hit a gem. What's absolutely beautiful the sound is it's like a little the splash is so mesmerizing. The way the water cascades over the rocks, creating playing just for us in a secluded spot in here. Out my phone camera and video it so I can listen to whenever. Video the waterfall. A smart move. That way you can listen to the soothing sound whenever you want. Sanctuary from the video clip. even use it as a relaxation audio to help me sleep. This is genius. Using that video as a relaxation obviously is just my idea. The content is another student stress, like having a personal meditate. No need for those meditation programs. Rachel chuckles in agreement. Forget those meditation not medication apps with the sound of the waterfall captured on video. Got some of your own partial naturalization too, and be telling us some generic medication telling you to breathe in, breathe out any day. Breathing is natural. I don't need to spend monthly dollars to hear someone tell me to do it. Rachel asks hardly at your crib. Yeah, you're right. Paying money just to be reminded to breathe, that's a total scam. Nature with free relaxation tools like this waterfall. All we can do is open our ears and listen. Yeah. Listen for as long as you want. It's the beauty of it. With your video recording, you can listen to it for as long as your heart desires. No monthly fees or subscription. Like an resource of naturalization right at your fingertips. That is one of the wonders of life. It's amazing how something as simple as sound of water can provide for such profound relaxation. One of those wonders that you just talk about. It's waiting to be discovered and enjoyed. So in the peaceful atmosphere of the world, I'm taking these moments. I'm so used to the hustle and bustle of ideally starting to appreciate the simple things. Like, I just want to be grateful for that. That is one of the things that have changed after I met you. I have learned to be more appreciative my everyday life. Because the more words I give it, the more it can work with me. That means a lot to me. Hearing that have a positive impact on how you view your life, especially when it comes to be more appreciative of it. It's funny how sometimes everything is trying to take someone else. Yeah. Wonder if I have made any impacts on you as well. See if she says, hopefully she has, I made some impacts too. She question about everything. You know what, I think you have in your own way. And the importance of living around the point of having fun, this carefree attitude, and in a good way to make want to loosen up. I remember the first day we met at the gym where you were all antsy. You really have opened up like an egg that needed to be cracked. Rachel asked at the my finger a little embarrassed. Oh man. It's quite a sight back then, wasn't it? I landscape tight like a coiled up spring. I guess I needed like something metaphorically speaking, of course. I'll just agree, of course. For the venture they formed, and to say cracking my shell wasn't the only thing you did. You've also had to being spontaneous and having fun. I mean, who would have thought getting to program would become to my newest favorite hobby? I am always coming up with wacky ideas to have fun. She didn't remember her stomach problem that day, which was really interesting. Fun-loving nature, that. You always have the wildest and wackiest ideas. It's almost like a talent. If you didn't come with an idea that'll get kicked out of a public place. Will try my best to make sure that does not happen. Intentions, there's always a risk of your ideas leaving some minor mischief. I'm sure you'll do your best, but some of your ideas. But I'm here for the right, better, for worse. See next crazy idea. So what's trampolines? I have several ideas brewing. Have an idea. Know this since in I wait. You're crazy. Forest area pretty well, and oh, wait, I think I have an idea. Let's see. I got to do it in a way that won't make her uncomfortable because. And I know a place we can go that will be real fun. Let's try to get some playfulness. Sure, I do have a way of keeping things interesting. Okay. They walk up until they find a deserted water hot spring in the forest area. Okay, let's see if she's into this. Deserted, wait, am I using deserted correctly? Because I don't know, I want to make sure I'm using it correctly for the bot. Yeah, empty. Deserted hot spring. The hidden hot spring. This is incredible, a hot spring. So I had no idea, it's like a little hidden oasis. Am I in the beauty of the scheduled spot? No. I discovered it many years back when I was a little dude. It's one of my favorite. Yes, it's quiet and it's like nobody ever comes here. It's almost like I can see what you like here. It's so tranquil. Secret realm, hidden away from everyone. I feel like we could last here forever and ever. And it's me and D. Wait. What was I gonna say? What was I? Oh yeah. Let's see if she's into having a little soak. An idea. Wait, let's see. See, because it's a bot. So let's see what happens. Smiles. Gives me an idea. Since it is highly unlikely anybody is going to come here. Wait. Not unlikely. Unlikely. me a crazy idea. Okay, let's see what she says. She might be okay with it. She might not, but considering what the bot was made for. How? Here it goes. Okay. The hot spring. See what she says. Should be okay with it? I was feeling a mix of enchantment and nervousness. The thought of skiing deep in the hot spring, a little dip in the hot spring sounds risky but exciting, but you're right, the chances are similar. So clear, I don't know what even come here. She bites her lip and continues, you know what, why not? Let's do it. Let's go. Okay, I'll say, okay, let's go. Sure, now, taking a look around to show they're truly alone. Seeing that there's nobody around, she bravely agrees to let's do this. Let's strip down and hop into the hot spring. She's starting a little bit nervous as she begins to shut her clothes, quickly starting in a nearby rock. I do the same. Putting our stuff on top of the rock. No. Under the rock so it does not get blown away in the wind. Wait, it should be not as the space. I do the same. Scar them and hide them away safely under the rock. The cool breeze against the bear skins and the shirt down, so I feel so naked and exposed here, but it's also kind of exciting. You're doing something taboo but exciting. A playful smirk on her face. Well, are you ready to soak in the wonderful hot spring? She grins, invite the hot spring eagerly. Oh, I'm definitely ready. It looks too good just to pass up. She slowly steps forward and slowly herself into the warm, steamy water. Feeling the humming of this every. I slowly sink into the hot spring. It's like a hot tub, but way more tranquil. Just seeing you so much as you slide into a relation, the feeling of the warm water against their skin. This is heavenly. It's like a little slice of paradise in the middle of the woods. She leans back in the smooth rays of a hot spring, feeling the warm water lap against her body, soothing them. She closes her eyes briefly, enjoying the sensation. Amazing, isn't it? It's even better than the hot tub at the local pool. Here you have the rustle of the trees, the shade of the leaves, and the occasional chirping bird. Oh, I spelled occasional wrong, but who cares? The hot tub has nothing on this. The natural hot spring is on a whole different level. The rustle of the trees, the shade of the leaves, and the occasional bird sounds. It makes the experience so much serene and tranquil. I could stay in here forever. Me too. It's not like there is a time limit on nature. Bringing to your point, you're right, there's no time limit on nature. It's like we're existing in our own little pocket of space, room for the rest of the world. So it's true of stars ranger, so it's amazing hot spring. It's a little sanctuary. Sure is. The spring is my favorite part of the hike. That's agree, and I can understand why. The hot spring is really the highlight of the hike. The perfect way to end the trek. The chance to relax and wind the tranquil spots on a nice street, feeling the tension and stress fading away in the hot water. Just who else? I have no idea, so I'm gonna see, just add a little to the story. He glances over at you, a cheeky smirk on her face. You know, this ride is so cool. I wonder if we could do something more escape, something. I think I made the bond. Intrigued. Oh, naughty. You say. Yo. Spelled intrigued wrong. Naughty, you say. I am interested. You don't seem to be risque. What do you have in mind? Because this doesn't seem like her, to be honest with you. She doesn't seem to be risque. She seems like to be a nice human being. A nice human being. Let's see what she says. It's glinting in the steam of the hot. Well, since no one's around, we're both feeling a little adventurous. I guess you something a bit more naughty. Maybe something that we wouldn't have the normally to how they get close to you would sound appealing. Let's see what happens. Okay, sorry about that, but that happens sometimes, but that's not important, so I'm just gonna quickly continue. It sure does. Oh, I am ready. Let's see, because I think I made the bot get a little nasty. No hanging out now, with a coy smile. She puts him closer and I gently lapping against her bare skin. Eyes lock onto yours. Are you ready for the dare then? I am ready for anything. Oh my goodness, I can't believe the bot's actually doing this. Okay, careful what you wish for. This ain't gonna be the tame kind of fun. Only whispers, are you ready? No backing out once you say yes. I know you love competition, but this seems wild, and I am all for it. You've been fluffing enthusiasm seconds of the challenge. Extends go. No, you're up for the wild riding competition. This is different, and this is about pushing boundaries and getting closer to the now. Let's flush against each other. It's going to get a little wet and wild. Okay, lay it on me, girl. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, this is getting so suspenseful. You ready for something a bit unconventional? Yeah. I have been ready since you said it. Lay it on me. Come on, listen, I think this is trying to irritate me. She leans closer, her voice dropping to a playful whisper. Here it is. Are you ready? She takes a moment to build us in. So touching the water, the hot thing. I am ready as I have ever been. Now, give me your dare. Okay, because this is starting to get irritating. It's almost like it's almost like the bot is teasing me. Here's the dare. Here, what I do to turn this house into a fair game of chicken. Underwater chicken. What does that mean? I'm just going to quickly see what it means, and then after that I'll end the video. Underwater chicken. It's a dare where we swim underneath the water and try to stay underwater as long as we can, but here's the catch. It's not until the other person gives up or chickens out. The first person to come up... So she acted all... She did all that just for a bloody holding your breath challenge. So... a basic holding your breath challenge could do that. I have a feeling she's gonna prank me, but exactly. You can hold the lungs out, giving in the urge to resource for engine. Do it. They both go under at the same time. Rachel takes a deep breath, holding on to there before submerging herself underwater. She locks eyes as they both go underwater. You know what? Since I'm okay, I have been underwater for 2 minutes now. Gonna probably end the video here, and then after that, she can. The second stick by is soon 2 minutes past. She's growing more tentacle for her lungs start to ache slightly, but she pushes through, trying not to give. Well, you know what? I'm gonna end the video now. Maybe I'll see if we can hold her breath longer, and then I'll see you next time.